Okay, so one last try. Let's get this to turn and open. And it just won't. Come on. It's just not going to work. So we're just going to have to be extremely crazy about how to do this. We'll just have to cut around this thing, which is a horrible thing to do. It's going to take a long time. So I'm going to cut the video here because you guys don't want to see me rip this apart. It's pretty hard to do. But what I would do is, without having to cut the whole thing around, just cut around this bit where it's connected.
Likey.